One of the dishes my mom used to make, that I really loved, was Japanese pancakes, also called okonomiyaki. But traditional Japanese pancakes typically use unbleached wheat and soy flour, which are off-limits for those like me who follow the keto diet. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple and easy steps of a delicious keto-friendly recipe for Japanese pancakes. A tally of the macros for this recipe are provided at the end of this video, so please watch it all the way through. The word okonomi means the way you like it, so the possible fillings and toppings are endless. Typical fillings include pork belly, cabbage, and pickled ginger. Commonly used toppings consist of okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese mayo, dry roasted seaweed bits, and bonito shavings which, when added to the hot pancake, appear to dance on the surface. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe. And to avoid missing out on new videos, please click the notifications bell. Have a great day.